Hello and welcome to Super Memory, a design program to teach you 100 times faster any language by using your visual memory. Today, we're gonna teach you how to say how you're doing in Farsi. Do you know how you say how you're doing Farsi? Well, in Farsi, you said Hale Shoma Chetore. If you're trying to learn this Hale Shoma Chetore by repeating 100 times, it will be almost impossible. Because by the time you're trying to learn another language, another phrase, you will forget. But if you assign to each word an image and link it to this, you will see that you can remember a week later, 2 weeks later, as long as that image is clear for you. On Farsi, you write Hale Shoma Chetore this way. I have some videos how to teach you the Farsi alphabet. Down below, I will leave 3 links about 14 letters in Farsi, how with image you can memorize each one. In total, is 32 alphabet letters from Farsi. I will make more videos when I reach 100 subscribers. So don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. All right, so how I was saying, if you link an image to each word, you will remember easy this phrase, how you're doing. But before we move, I want to tell everyone that in Farsi, the vowels always pronounce the same way. For example, in Farsi, the A is always sounds like a like an hat. The O sounds like an O, like in toll. And the E sounds like an E, like an elephant. So to remember that easy, kind of picture in your brain a huge hat going in the toll and no paying for toll, and elephant police chasing the hat. So remember, hat, toll, elephant. So if you see right here, ha as an hat, hale as an elephant, Hale Shoma Chetore. If you remember those keywords, you will gonna be able to pronounce any vowels in Farsi, and it will be very easy. All right, let's keep moving. The first image I choose is actually an American hero from Connecticut. His name is Nathan Hale. But like I said, we have a rule to pronounce vowels in Farsi. So we're gonna pronounce this Hale instead of Hel in English. So remember, A as in hat, A as in hat, and E as an elephant. So Nathan Hale, it was an American spy hero from the American Revolution. I'm gonna leave a link below for you to read, because more you read about it, easy to remember. All right, so we have Hale as an American hero. The next word or the next picture that I choose was Shoma. Shoma is actually a Japanese cartoon fighter from baseball. Down below, I will leave more information about it. You can read it. Basically, it's just a kind of moody character that is very popular in Japan in baseball games. The next one, it is very important to talk about this one right here, because you're never gonna find exactly an image for the new word that you're trying to learn. If you see right here, you got Chetore. I couldn't find an image that match this new word. You could probably find it and help me out and comment below, but I couldn't. So what I did, I saw the last 2 syllables, store, and that kind of remind me and store. So what I did, I pictured someone making a mess on the sign of the front of the store. Kind of deleting the S and putting Chetore and making a red face. That it will make it easy to remember Chetore. Alright, so after you choose your 3 image, you need probably a 4 image for how you're doing. You need to choose an image is clear. Do you have someone that you say every day how you doing? Well, I do. For example, I have a dog. Her name is Oreo. And every morning I give her hugs and I concern about her. I feed her, I give my love, and I always make sure she's doing okay. So as how you doing, you have to choose an image is familiar to yourself. You don't have to choose my dog. You can use your son, your daughter, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, anybody that you always say how you doing. And that image, it will apply for English. So we got 4 images so far. We got, in my case, my dog, and then you got Halit, Shoma, and Store, which is Chetore. So what you do, you link these 4 images together and you can make any story. In this example, how you can read, I did my dog Oreo bite a US spy. Hale start bleeding, so he went with Shoma. And Shoma, instead of healing because he's moody, instead of healing Hale, he used his blood to write Tretore instead of store. And he also put a face, a red face with his blood. So I'm not actually telling you that you have to use my image or my story. I'm just guiding you that if you make or choose an image that means something to you, you're gonna learn any language 100 times faster than any other regular standard way. Remember, kids have neuroplasticity. They can learn any language within 1 or 2 years faster because their brain is rewiring faster. But us and as an adult, we still have the neuroplasticity. It doesn't go as fast, but we have an advantage the kids doesn't have. We already have 100,000 of neurons with images that of memories that we already have there. All we have to do is come back with something that is meaningful for us and link it with the new knowledge. And trust me, you're not gonna forget it for the rest of your life. Obviously, you have to kind of repeat it a little bit later on because you're not gonna learn one phrase, you're gonna start learning 100 phrases, and you wanna kind of go back a week later just to refresh this knowledge, but it will be easier than any other way possible. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and comments. I wanna see your comments. I wanna see what you think about this. Thank you again. I'm ready for the next phrase. If you have a phrase that you want me to teach you, please comment below. Have a good day. See ya. Bye-bye.